Morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. How are we doing? We're doing good. Good morning, Grace. How was the weekend? Let's see what we have here today. To be honest, this weekend I did nothing. I mean, I did, but I just like chilled at home. Not much more. I have a VR headset that I had for a while now. And I have the steering wheel. So I got a driving simulator and I just had my whole setup here. I had a few friends come over and we were just playing the fucking VR simulation. Yeah, yeah, it's fucking insane. Looks like we took previous 15-minute high, open, low, high, close here. Let me just check the 5 hour. We did trading 200 fair values. Nothing previous hourly also. I think I'm gonna try along here. So where's this highs here? 3, 4, 9. We get a closure. 595. Yeah, he might even run without me, to be honest. Shit. I'm gonna get buy here. The limit is in. I don't know if I'm gonna get the entry. Yeah, I did trade. We trade five. I had a few payouts. I'm on the 5 figures plus 5 figures on with trade five. I want to check the 5 minute because we also have a 1 hour open high look. Oh, fuck! This move is just so clean. The fuck did I get to? Remove the limits because I think I'm gonna add into this move maybe and just get something out of it. Are you trading with TradeFi now, Drace? Nice. The 5 minute looks weird. The current one, the one that we are trading right now, I know, but we're about to like embarrass this 5 minute. I like this sweep, but the previous one, the 3 a.m. one, looks fucking clean, in my opinion. I think I'm gonna add like 2 micros here, and then if we go lower, add a few more. If this runs now like 2 micros on this, it's gonna be like pretty much nothing, but whatever. One more. We can close above the high here. Gonna sell this here at the high. What is he guys doing here? Struggling a bit more. Thank you. I want to keep paying attention here. Like a failure to get back like above here. Okay, that's the previous 15-minute high. In the 15-minute created, we are trading now a C3 15-minute candle. Now this is the previous 15-minute high. Hello, Uni. And C3. It makes sense also, yeah. Did we create SMT? No, we didn't. If we somehow we can manage to close out the previous 15-minute high, so I can move break even, that would be nice. Oh, what the fuck was that? That's news, right? It's crazy. Got me out. What did we get? Let me check. I don't know what was this movie from, to be honest. Let's see. I still think we can go higher. Basically, we had like 15-minute sweep at the open, hourly sweep also. The only thing it was probably the 4 hour that also had a swing lower. No structure share of the 5-minute and the 15. Yeah, but to be honest, if I'm playing a 15-minute open, high, low, close, I'm focusing on the 1 minute, not the 5-minute or 15-minute. The thing is, it is crazy because like even like we didn't even like have that many like that many contracts being sold on this candle. It's insane how low volume London session is. It's fucking crazy. It's called Morning Zipper. We're gonna go higher now. That's only fucking crazy. We actually do. It's not a proper London session before stopping us out before. That's true. That's fucking true. No, let's see. Let's see if we can continue going higher. Like I wouldn't mind like even getting into a long before this high, like around this area. As I was saying, it's like insanely weird. I mean, not weird, but it amazes me how low volume, how many like I'm just seeing the amount of contracts that we traded in this candle, and I can tell you like it's not even close to a fucking random 1 minute candle during New Year session. It's insane how so many contracts moved this market lower. This sell-off was just insane. I mean, so far, like that chart, it was looking good after this big move lower. Looks fucking ass. It was some iron news. It's whatever. Nothing surprises me anymore trading NQ, especially this year. here. Wow, this is just so slow. We just had this move lower and we're not moving. Even same, like if we get something, at least moving. I'm not even asking for another trade. I'm just asking for the market to move. It's just insane. Like it's just fucking insane. Not even 20 contracts being traded on each one of these fucking 1 minute candles. It's like crazy. It was at this low. I didn't set it to the 3EO too low. It was here was established, so I just got run out. Yeah. Yeah, right. Was it this low? Let me just check. Yeah, it was at this low. Yeah. Yeah, it's whatever. Cool. Just hope for him has something to offer. Yeah, I just went back to the to the black and green chart. Good morning, Harun. Back to the basics, pretty much. What a shame. I still think we go for the highs. I can get a break from fucking London session. It's just fucking insane. Every fucking time. I don't backtest anymore if I'm not adding anything new to my trading. Let's trade Asia together in the middle of the night. Yeah, I think that's what we need to do at this point. So fucking boring. See if we can turn it to HLO and then see if something happens around there. Good morning, Andres. But yeah, the chart not looking good. To be honest, I want longs. The bias, at least on the higher time frame on the daily chart for me now, are long bias. Then it's just a matter of finding the bias for the moment that you're trading. But on the daily, for the coming days, I'm looking for longs. There's no fucking liquidity. That's crazy. Like the volume is just so fucking low. It's insane. Yeah, it could be the data high, yeah. For now, I'm just looking for Asia high. I mean, if we keep going lower like this, I think something from Asia low can happen. Like maybe a long out of Asia low. It seems heading to Asia low, but yeah. See if we can get to Asia low. Not convinced about this move yet. Like I really want to see something more significant. We're not moving. We're gonna have 5 minutes. We're gonna have 5 minutes for 4 a.m. Let's see if 4 a.m. can do something. Quite an awful session, to be honest. Weird moves. What is a unicorn model? Um, okay, the unicorn is just basically like a pattern formation. So it's just like this. The unicorn is just the candles before a move that takes liquidity. So in this example, it moves lower, it takes this low, and we form range based on the upside candles before the move that takes liquidity. And inside this range, we have a fair value gap aligning with it. So this range with the fair value gap and like the break of structure, like the candles before the move that takes liquidity, whenever we close higher, we look for buying the retest on that range. So basically, that's the unicorn. The unicorn model is just this pattern formation with some rules to be able to filter out the setups. Because if you look for this pattern, like you're gonna see that it constantly shows up in the market, but you need higher time frame reasons for this for yourself to take this trade. This is like a really brief explanation, but so you just get an idea. How many R do you make? I would say like not that much. I had really good months, but I think on average, 5, 6, maybe like on a good, like on an average month, like right now yeah, 4, 5, 6 are. It's really low right now. on average, I would say maybe 10. But it's not realistic because like I'm trading prop firm, so like 10R on a personal, like I wouldn't go aim for 10R on a personal account most likely because that would be like insane to do it like like as average. But with prop firms, like the amount of trades that I can take is way higher because I can have way more accounts. I mean, that's the thing. I don't know, brother. Like, it is so easy to just, I mean, not fake it, but at the cost of what a prop firm account costs, like for the amount of money that it costs, uh, you can keep like getting accounts for a fraction of what, like with a live account, you couldn't like take that many trades that you can with different prop firm accounts. So it's whatever. What time should we watch for the setup? Ideally, you want to pair that like the setup formation with higher time frame. So usually waiting for session opens or high time frame candle opens is the best. Like waiting for 4 hour candle opens, 1 hour candle opens, um, and also session openings. Because the important part is how this forms, how the manipulation forms, and then the move that precedes the manipulation. It's really important. What time? Okay, do you trade full time? Yeah, I do trade full time, and I'm involved in trading projects like the lab as a streamer here and Profit Compare. So if the question is trading my only source of income? It is not, like being full transparent. It is not. It's a big part of it. Um, it's about 50% of my annual income, but it's not just my only source of income. That's why I'm being able to take losses and not care that much because I'm making money anyway. Probably if trading was my only source of income, it would be really hard for me to trade, realistically speaking. Just relying only on your trading profits is, I think it's something that no one should really do unless you have a lot of capital backing up that trading operation that you're running. Most of those insurance deals are large on average amount. That's the thing, Wolf. I think these numbers come from evaluations. I mean, profit accounts. Because like with the same amount that you would like spend or like be it like let's say with $10,000 you can take X amount of trades with the same $10,000, but buying profit accounts you can take 10, 20 times more trades than you would do it with a personal. That's why I think it's easier to get these numbers because you have like more shots to like big runners and shit. But that's 100% sure. I think like one of the big things I mean, yeah, one of the big things about social media is that people should try to decide who to follow, not based on how much money he makes or the amount of art that he makes in a month, because that's really something that anyone could fake. Like any of us could fake high reward months, whatever. I think everyone should base the decision based on the the value, because I don't see the value on something. I mean on someone showing that he made 50K a month. Like I don't know what's the benefit for someone else me saying that I made that amount of money if I'm not being able to give you something that you can take action with. Like and it's the sad part about social media trading right now. I think 2 3 years ago it was people just sharing knowledge, sharing their journey, and you could take something out of what other people were posting. Right now it's really hard to get something out of pretty much, I'm not gonna say all the accounts that like promote themselves as traders, but it's really hard to find worth like content worth watching and learning from. It's unfortunate to see people failing for freak mad. That's true. And you are all lab guys. We are working, and I don't know if I should say or not, but we are working on a series of videos from all the lab members that we trade live. We are gonna make a video explaining the models that each one of us trade. So it's easier. Like right now that you're asking questions about the unicorn model, we're gonna have a video where I can send to you so you can understand the way I'm trading here live. So you can follow through the same process that I'm using to trade here. By the way, we took Asia low with the 4 a.m. Move. Yep, we are working on that. So I hope we can have it soon. Aggressive move, by the way, here. Lower. Not really interested in longs right now. For now. EDS take Asia low too. Oh wait, hell no. Okay, yeah, like we're gonna focus also not in just like providing live streaming. We want to build something more into YouTube, I think, with some videos. So I'm gonna take this proposal that you just did and pass it to Alex so we can like someone, me, Leo, Alex, maybe Leo would be the perfect one because he's crushing it with prop firms right now. But we can do that video for sure. You're welcome, brother. That's why we're doing this. You're long of the 30 seconds immersion. I really want to get longs, but to be honest, right now, like it was looking way better before, like around this area when I got this long that I got stopped out uh for how much it was. I lost 248, so not that bad. Like it's decent risk for the type of sessions that we are having here in London. Really easy to recover. Uh, but yeah, it was looking way better before. I don't know if there's like some sort of news, iron news, Trump said something. I don't know what was going on, but this scandal completely changed the direction of the market. Like I'm checking order flow on my side, like my side screen, and the order flow was really bullish along all of this. But all of a sudden, like it completely changed. Still not liking this. So far, I don't see a reason to long. Yeah. Yeah, I took a long here that I got stopped out in this weird candle. Sadly, I was aiming for this high, but we just and you had different plans. I don't want to long this, to be honest, yet. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit more, but I think I'm gonna call it a session here. Um, Not really liking what I'm seeing as for now, so I think it's not worth like anymore, like watching at least for me. Um, just a reminder that who's who's trading on New York today. I think Alex and Leo. I think they're both doing the session, or just Leo. Just check. Yeah, Alex and Leo are gonna be doing New Year session. And then I'm gonna be live again this evening for New York PM, because Alex couldn't make it for it, so I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna be streaming this evening for New York PM also, and then tomorrow for London session. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. Bro is working overtime. Hey, I need to carry this. I mean, it's not that late for my time, so I'm usually in front of my computer anyway, so it's just not an effort. So I'm gonna do it. Let's see if I get something cool. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Not much more for the session. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a great New Year session. Stay safe. Yes, see you this evening and tomorrow morning for London session again. See you, boys. Thank you.